In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely remove the rear taillight on a third-generation Kia K5. If you're doing this job for the first time, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step, making the process simple and easy to follow. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details or accidentally damage the mounting clips. Let's get started by opening the trunk. The next step is to remove this protective plastic cover. It's very easy to take off. Simply grab it and gently pull it toward you. Once the cover is removed, you'll see four 10mm bolts securing the taillight assembly. Take a ratchet with a 10mm socket and remove all four bolts one by one. Now we come to the most important part of the job. Before removing the taillight, disconnect the electrical connector. Press the locking tab on the connector and carefully pull it out. Always hold the connector itself. Never pull on the wires, as this could damage the wiring harness. With the connector unplugged and all four bolts removed, you're ready to take out the taillight. Hold it firmly with both hands and pull it straight toward you. If it feels a little tight, gently wiggle it from side to side while continuing to pull outward. After a few gentle movements, the taillight will come free without much effort. Take a look at the guide pins on the back of the taillight. As you can see, they're perfectly straight and there are no hidden clips holding the assembly in place. That's why the correct way to remove it is to pull it straight toward you. Avoid lifting it upward or twisting it, as doing so could damage the guide pins or the mounting points.